So let's talk about how we can install Streamlit, and we will create one very simple Streamlit application using VS Code, and we will run that application. Okay, so let me open VS Code. So that is my VS Code. Let me create one folder. This is Streamlit. Okay, I will create one folder which is my workspace, and I will open folder. I will go to batch 1, Streamlit and workplace. So what I have done is I have just created one folder and I have opened VS Code and open that folder in the VS Code. Now let me create app.py. So this is our application.py file. I will go to terminal. Now whenever you are working on any of the projects, right, in VS Code, the first thing you need to do is you need to create your own virtual environment. Okay, so we have already discussed how to create that, but so let's go Python. This is the command. Let's say my virtual environment name is venv, or maybe venv streamlit sl. So this command will create one virtual environment. We noticed a new environment has been created. Okay, so once you run that, you will see another folder which is having all these libraries, and you also have the scripts. So once you create the environment, the next thing which we usually do is activating that environment. So I will just replace the name venv streamlit and activate. So now you can see this venv sl is appended. Okay, so that means this is the my current environment. Now the first thing you need to do is pip install streamlit. Okay, so this will install. You may have installed page into a global environment. No, I'm installing it in my virtual environment. So all you need to do is you need to run pip install streamlit. So that will install your streamlit library in your virtual environment. Let's wait. So you can see the number of files are getting increased. So I need to go into lib, and in the lib I I will notice these streamlit libraries are getting installed. Okay, so now I am done. My streamlit library has been installed. So now import streamlit as st. Superb. And I will just write simple command st.title hello world st.write. This is a sample. Superb. So this this Microsoft GitHub Copilot has made my life easier. So now all I need to do is I need to run this application. Okay, so command for that is streamlit run and name of the file which you want to run. So when you do that, you will see the application is now get opened in your browser. Okay, so this is very simple. This uses the port 8501, and now you can see hello world. This is a streamlit application. So I mean, that was the starting point. What you have done, we have created one folder, we have opened that folder in my VS Code, and then created my virtual environment. I activated my virtual environment. Then I installed my Streamlit library, then created app.py file, and then I just wrote a couple of lines which shows Streamlit dot title and then Streamlit dot write. So this is the simplest application which we can build, and then I use the command Streamlit run my app.py file which is having my Streamlit code. All right, thank you.